Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Fidelity. First, it's important to know that Fidelity does not directly support buying XRP on its platform. Instead, you'll need to use a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. However, you can still leverage your Fidelity accounts to fund these exchanges, making the process straightforward. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can confidently purchase XRP. Since Fidelity doesn't directly offer XRP, your first step is to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Popular options include Kraken, Binance, and Coinbase, which all support XRP. When selecting an exchange, always check their security protocols and understand their fee structure. After choosing, you'll need to create an account and complete their identity verification process, which is standard for financial platforms. Once your exchange account is set up and verified, you'll need to fund it. You can link your existing bank account, which might be associated with Fidelity, directly to the cryptocurrency exchange. Then, initiate a transfer of the desired amount of funds. Be aware that bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process and clear before the funds are available for trading on the exchange. With your funds available on the exchange, you're ready to buy XRP. Simply navigate to the trading section and find the XRP trading pair, usually listed against a stablecoin like USD or a fiat currency like USD. Enter the amount you want to purchase and confirm your order. And hey, while you're making smart moves with your investments, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep things fresh. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.